Changing your username on Peacock is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Peacock app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for your profile icon or the settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to access account settings. Step 3. Select profile information. In the account settings menu, find and select the option for profile or account information. This section allows you to manage your personal details. Step 4. Edit username. Look for the field labeled username or display name. Click on it to edit, then enter your desired new username. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save or Update button. You may receive a confirmation message once the change is successful. Now you have successfully changed your username on Peacock. Enjoy your updated profile.